Welcome back to Deuce McCamper's Diecast Racing and Sometimes Fish, on location at the beach today. And we just ripped the Cool Combi and the Surf and Turf. And we're going to run them down this little short 2-lane track, and neither one will probably make the jump, but we'll see. So here we go, race one. Surf Crate was in the lead but couldn't make the jump. Let's switch lanes and see if we can go 2 for 2. All right, race 2, here we go. Definitely the Surf and Turf, but he couldn't make the jump, but that's all right. Jump or no jump, still a good day at the beach. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.